bang, bang, bangity bang, I said a bang, bang, bangity bang, 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 bangity bang, I said a bang, bang.
Hello and welcome to the video. My name is Mitchell and this is Imprint Manufacturing, and in the last few videos I have been restoring a 3D printer I named the Micro Swiss, and with that done it was time to use the full capacity of the print lab. I'm talking about a new project that would involve using all of my printers, the Creality, the Micro Swiss, and the new Bamboo Lab. I know, we got one too. More on that later. It's amazing. The old reliable Imprint X, who's been running for 5 years now. So what's the project? It must be pretty big, right? To be using all of the printers together. This is like assembling the Avengers all working together. Remember when those movies used to be good? You know, before Disney got their small, greedy, dirty hands on the franchise.
That is one big pile of shit.
I'm sure Star Wars is fine. Wait, Disney owns them too now? So because I love 3D printing, I will try to 3D print anything. And I do mean anything. And props to Ported to Reality, because the files uploaded for Han's Blaster are fantastic. And definitely the perfect way to use all of the printers. Once you download the files, they provide detailed instructions. And from the notes, they did a fantastic job replicating the design of the gun. And you can tell they spent a lot of time and effort doing this. They even compared it to the model with a picture of the movie prop and their 3D printed gun, and there are only slight differences you might notice. So 5 stars on the design. So I know everybody's wondering, how'd I do? Well, for that, my dear friends, I will just have to show you. I did end up using the bamboo to get involved on the project, and print a custom stand because I wanted to display it on my desk while I work, for business reasons. It's not a toy, okay? Everybody, it's not a toy. Thank you all for watching this video. This is Imprint Manufacturing, and go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you don't miss a video. Hit that notification bell and leave a comment below. I thank you all for watching, and I hope your 3D printing turns out awesome.